In this video, we will show you how to replace your rear sway bar link on this Chevy Malibu. This is part of the rear suspension located behind your rear wheel. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. The first thing you need to do is safely raise and support the rear of the vehicle so the wheel's off the ground. Once you've done so, continue on to removing all 5 of your 22mm lug nuts and then the wheel. Now that we have the wheel off, the next thing we need to do is put a little bit of support underneath the lower control arm. With support under there, we can continue on to removing the sway bar link. Now for the sway bar link, you're going to find that you have a 16mm headed mounting nut holding it to the sway bar itself. Let's start there. Use a 16mm back here. If you find the sway bar link shaft is spinning on you, use some locking pliers on the far end. Moving up to the upper mounting bolt, we'll be using a 15mm for this. Before you fully remove this mounting bolt, make sure it's not under a lot of pressure. You may have to raise or lower the rear suspension as needed. Inspect your mounting hardware, remove the sway bar link. There it is, friend. Clean and inspect your sway bar and the mounting point on your knuckle. Okay, friend, let's get ready for the installation of our brand new rear sway bar link. Take that sway bar link and carefully slide it into your sway bar. Start on your 17mm mounting nut. Once it's started on there, pause. Make your way to the mounting bolt that holds the sway bar link to your rear knuckle. Once again, you may have to raise or lower the suspension as needed. Before we put our bolt in there, make sure the threads are clean and you have a little bit of blue thread locker. Now that we have both of these started in here, go ahead and bottom them out. The torque for each of these is 37 foot-pounds. Now that we have that one snug, we're going to move to the nut. Once again, you may find that when tightening this nut, the entire shaft may want to spin. Just go ahead and hold on to that with some locking pliers down at the far end here. Use a 17mm here. Upper mounting bolt, same torque, 37. Remove the support from under your lower control arm. All right, let's get the wheel on here. Start on all 5 of your 22mm lug nuts. Bottom them out. Get the wheel safely back down on the ground, and then we'll torque each of these lug nuts to 110 foot-pounds. With the wheel back on the ground, we'll be torquing these in a crisscross manner. Torqued. Okay friend, we've got our vehicle back together. The process for one side of the vehicle is the exact same thing as the other. Once you've done that, go ahead and take your vehicle for a road test, and we always recommend getting yourself a 4-wheel alignment. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.